What is up, guys? Geo Driven here. Today we're doing a Partial Max angle kit install. This is all the tools that I used last time. Might need less, might need more, but should be good. I'm doing it mobile at my boy's yawn shop. But here it is, an HR 350Z reps. Yeah, we're about to start on it. First step I do is I loosen all the bolts. So this is a 7/8, 17. Pretty sure this is a 14 or 17. And then 19. And then the one under here should be a 19. So I start by removing the cotter pins, get all those loose, and then I take off the brake caliper bolts, the ABS sensor, knuckle, and take the whole knuckle off because I have to shave it anyways. So it's easier when it's off, to be honest. But yeah, that's where I start. Alright, all the shit's loose. This one's gonna be a little gay. It's loose, but I have to jack it so that it comes out because it's just spinning. Tie rods are out. So now I just gotta hit the side of it right there and it'll come right out. Gotta take these off too, should be 14. Alright, so here's where we're at. Everything's pretty much off on this side. So now I gotta shave these two nipples with a grinder on both sides. And I gotta shave knuckle right here and remove this ball joint, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So for this part, you gotta grease this shit, torch this hella hot, and then put it on hella fast, and then like hammer it on real quick. And then when the arm's on, I don't remember which way it goes, but the arm will go, and then this will go like that, and then the bolt tie it. And then right now I'm about to put on the rack spacers. I'm just trying to do stuff in the meantime because no power in the shop, so I can't grind these shits right now. So like I'm kind of like cooked. So I was trying to see what's up. So that's that. Now I'm tying it, and then these sleeves will go in, and then we can install the actual outers. I meant inners or whatever you call it. But yeah, it's free. The 24 millimeter. Okay. That shit ain't going nowhere. She's mint. Just check it after your first drive. Let's see what setting we were on. Oh, we were on the wrong setting. Hold on. Let me run it back. Oh yeah. No, it's mint. Now it ain't going nowhere. But yeah. Put that to the side. Alright. So for camber, so far I'm at 1.5 inches of thread showing. So that's where I'm gonna start at. On my car, I only had 1 inch showing, but I ended up having to shave my banjo bolts. So I'm gonna see if that'll prevent that. And since we don't have adjustable uppers, this should be perfect. I guess we'll see though. Yeah, I'll let you guys know if I have to drop the lower and adjust it out or more. So now we're centering the rack. So I just took it off right there. Comes off pretty easily. So now we're gonna measure both sides of this, and then we'll be fine. So yeah, let's get to that. We got the rack centered. It is 2 and I think it was 2 3/8 on both sides. Yeah, 3/8 right there. And then we come over here. That's 2. And yeah, 3/8 right there. This rack is low-key bad, which I told him already. But yeah, that's how you do it. I also got the ball joints in. I just need to shave the knuckles. Need to shave it right here. And then the flat right there, which I'll show you guys. And to get it out, it's pretty easy. I'll show you guys on the next one. Okay, so my phone is dead, but I have a video showing what I did, kinda. But basically, on the old one, it'll be in right, and you'll lean your torch up against it, like set it up, and leave it sit for like 2 minutes straight of just heat. And then you take your hammer, big ass hammer, you hit it like twice, shit'll be almost out. You take a socket, boom, hold the socket there, hit it 2 more times, pop right out. That's all you gotta do for that. Okay, next step. Go to Harbor Freight, pick up this. Here's the number. Okay, so all you need from this is this. So you'll put it over here like this. Yep, just like that. And then you'll take this, right, just like that. And you put this on the very bottom of it. So it'll be like this. And after you hit it in, like just hit it in with a hammer, right? So you take this, hold it, tap it in once, make sure it's straight. And you go there, put this on, and you literally take an impact and a 24mm, and it instantly goes in, like no struggle at all. And that's all you do. And you take your new ring and your ring pliers and you put it on. This is obviously the old ring, but you get the idea.
But these niggas ain't loyal. See, people disappear like fentanyl on aluminum foil. I ride by myself and count money when I get bored. Cause niggas so fake, they'll make you send them to the Lord. I've been in some of the high-speed chases on Vegas Sport. I'm with the cartel, but I ain't talking Santa Lord. I'm the nigga that's gonna tell it like it is, they be capping. I'm the nigga that's been getting it off the land, they just rapping. I've been breaking razor blades trying to get it out the plastic. Cause if the felon, I can't get a job, so I'm trapping. I'm the nigga that's gonna tell it like it is, they be capping. I'm the nigga that's been getting it off the land, they just rapping. I've been breaking razor blades trying to get it out the plastic. If the felon, I can't get a job, so I'm trapping. See, I've been getting game from you on being critical. Let me check that out, but watch yourself. I think I missed it. There's money on the bitch. I ain't gotta run these niggas over, these niggas already. I been trying to boost my high. I told my dog pile to blame. I just left 5 sacks. You be all in TJ Maple. I'm in the song. Man, pull up in it. Like what's happening, baby? Pull off like I'm trying to crash the beat. Yeah, I'm a real shot. Niggas so good, I wanna cash out. Toes down like 2 feet. In the track, shedding tears, I'm shedding onions. Mama the realest bitch ever, she stay 100. Hate when I tell somebody no and they say I'm front. Got this shit up out the mud, niggas ain't gave me nothing. Way before this rap shit, I was a pack runner. Out the post office, bitch, I had the threat jumping. Got 2 dark-skinned freaks in here, cat. What up, my baby? Nice to meet you. I'm so kind. I've been peachy, but I ain't wanna be out.